bet they was like, damn, give her a Lord. She fine as hell. Do you hear me? What's up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another vlog. So you guys, I am running some last minute errands as far as Christmas shopping. Babe is being so kind to chauffeur me around. He's my driver for the day.
Killing me.
He talking about I'm killing him, y'all. I'm so spoiled, y'all. My baby be having me so spoiled. Why am I overly exposed? Okay, there it is. Oh, I don't know what's going on with the lighting, but anyways, y'all, so I just left out of Belk. I did go ahead and pick up another Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I was telling you guys in my last vlog that I wear the shade Amber Honey. Like, I can wear it year round, but sometimes when I've been going to the beach a lot, or I have been getting a really good tan, I need a darker shade. Y'all see Casey being dramatic, and the shade I need is 6C1 Rich Cocoa. So I picked that up. And y'all, I went into Belk. Was that my phone, babe? Girl, why is this overexposed like this? I'm all over the place. But I went into Belk, y'all, and Belk is giving going out of business. It's giving very much empty. It's giving we don't have much. It's a mess in there, y'all. Like, I was surprised I even had my foundation shade. I feel like it's the Belk, it's like that in the Belk that's by my house, and it's like that in the Belk that's like 30 minutes away from my house, y'all. But anyways, my next stop is to go into Ross and possibly TJ Maxx, because I lost my all black Nike hat and I'm looking for a Nike hat. And babe, your mom, she wanted those black house shoes, but I wonder if she wanted them just from Walmart, or did she mind having them from like Ross or somewhere else. She wanted some black, but she said they needed to be the thick soles. Y'all see, Kason? Sit back. They needed to be like the thick ones. She wanted like the thick sole. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to look in here and see what I can find. So yeah, last minute Christmas shopping chronicles. And I know in my last vlog I said I was done, you know, but obviously, like I said, you know, sometimes I'll be lying and I'll be telling the truth and stuff. And by the way, it's the same day, it's the same day that I ended my last vlog. I'm just pretty much starting up a new vlog. Anyways, time for me to get out. My stop is right here. Thank you so much. I'll leave your tip right here, driver, and I'll see you when I get back in the car. What is she blowing her horn? So y'all, I walked right in and right out of Ross. It's giving anxiety, honey. It's shit everywhere. I can't do it. So back in the car we go. And I brought you guys in the store, but I didn't bring my phone. So yeah, we can go to TJ Maxx now. It's too packed and it was too junky, y'all. I just cannot. Okay, can't do it. 5 minutes in and I was out. Like, girl, can't do it. So y'all, we decided to make a pit stop at Five Guys for lunch to get some burgers. Oh, there you go. So yeah, this is what we having for lunch, y'all. I'm cooking later. I'm gonna cook some pork chops and stuff later, girl. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm starving, y'all. This is my first meal of the day. It is 3:11, and y'all, the stores that we went to that I was telling you guys about, Ross and TJ Maxx, were a bust. There was nothing in there, too much going on in there. So I'm gonna have to wait till after the holidays to find me a Nike hat that I've been wanting. What's up, you guys? So today is Wednesday, so now we're down to 3 days before Christmas, y'all. I'm super excited. Like, we getting closer and closer, girl. I just finished filming a makeup look, as well as, well, pretty much a get ready with me, because I filmed this hair, and then I also filmed this makeup look. So it's coming soon. Just be patient. Since I've been out work, y'all, I just been trying to film a lot of content, especially when I'm in a mood to do it and when I have a chance to do it. So today was one of my days that I said I had written down in my calendar for me to film, because I need to make sure that I have my content ready to go. I'm trying to do so much better than I did this year, you guys, next year, so I can grow here on my channel and we can go together, grow together. But anyways, y'all, I'm getting ready to go to Walmart. I do not want to go to Walmart, but I told you guys yesterday, but that I'll be talking so fast, girl. I told y'all yesterday, because I'm trying to hurry up and go. I told y'all yesterday that babe mom has been wanting some black house shoes, so I'm gonna try to go to Walmart. I think they have the kind that she wants, because she told me to go to Walmart. So I'm gonna go to Walmart, try to find her these thick black house shoes that she's looking for. And she wants some press-on nails, girl, because she be watching my vlog and stuff, so she be seeing how I be doing my nails. So if you watching, mom, hey girl. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing real quick. Real cute but casual, nothing major at all. I didn't want to look too like chill, because my makeup and my hair is done up, but I still wanted to give off a chill vibe. So let me show y'all what I'm wearing. And if y'all see stuff out of order, mind your business, okay? Mind it. So this is what I'm wearing, y'all. Just this black bomber jacket. I'm wearing these gray leggings that I got from Old Navy. Ooh, y'all see it? You see it? Stop playing, girl. You see it. And then I showed y'all my hair and makeup, and then my shoes are just these cute Ugg slides that I got last week in the mail. I got these on a really good sale, you guys. They were at Journeys for, I believe, $49. So yeah, this is my whole little vibe that I'm rocking today. Come on, Casey, you ready to go? And somebody asked me on Instagram, she was like, oh my God, I've been looking for those slides, girl. Where'd you get those from? So, Journey. So, anytime I wear something on Instagram, on YouTube, y'all, and I don't tell you guys where I got it from, you can always DM me on Instagram and I'll answer you. She was like, thank you so much, girl, because I be putting y'all on. And y'all be putting on me on, because if I need something, I want y'all to come through and tell me where to get it from, okay? Because I be looking for stuff. So, these are so comfortable, you guys. I actually wore these shoes the last day of school before the winter break, which was Friday, and all of the kids was like, oh my God, I want some shoes like Miss McCall. So yeah, like they were telling their moms, because I think it's some other moms that work at the school, they got kids to go to the school, so they was like, oh my God, I want some shoes like that for Christmas, mom. So yeah, Journeys had these. I'm probably gonna order me another pair maybe when I get back home. I don't need to. I need to chill, but y'all know I ain't got no chill, especially when it comes to shopping, because they had the yellow pair for $39, and then they had like a super dope purple and pink pair. I'm just gonna show y'all when we get back home, girl, because they are fire. And I'm supposed to be cooking dinner tonight, so I probably am going to grab us some, girl, look at that lace. Girl, look at that lace. I'm probably gonna grab some juice too while I'm in there, because we have literally nothing to drink at this house but water, and that's probably what we need. Let's go. So y'all, we stopped by Arby's real quick to get some food. So like I said, I'm cooking a little later. I'm probably gonna cook when I get back home, girl, because this food is not gonna fill me up and I'm starving. So we just got 2 small fries, but they gave us 2 large fries. You feel me? I bet it was like, damn, give her a large. She fine as hell. Do you hear me? So let me put casings. Oh my gosh, I can't even get it out, girl. So we're gonna munch on these on the way to Walmart. And just to put, here you go, baby. Do you want ketchup? Ketchup is really too messy in the car. So yeah, girl, let's go to, oh shit, let's go to Walmart. Oh girl, and they made sure my fries was fresh. Stop playing with me. I don't know what the deal is when I get in this car. Like, I be turning blue, I be turning yellow, I be turning purple, like I be overly exposed. But I know y'all don't care. But some of y'all probably like, what is she even talking about? So yeah, y'all, we're gonna run in Walmart, because I also need to get an ironing board too, because somebody broke the ironing board. I mean, they ain't gonna call no names or nothing. I didn't do that. But somebody broke the ironing board, girl. But I'm gonna talk to y'all. Oh, it broke by itself. Yeah. I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get to Walmart. Thank you, baby. Ooh, baby brought me my ice cream. Y'all, we know we can buy like the cookies and cream ice cream like already made, but we like to buy the Oreos by itself. Like we just like that crunch and then the homemade vanilla ice cream with it. Girl, it be busting. Okay, so I actually just finished cooking. We had pork chops, rice, corn, and green beans, and I'll be sure to insert a clip. So babe found a good movie. Sometimes we eat dinner at the dinner table depending on what it is, and if it's something to go and it's just us two, we'll eat dinner on the couch. But most of the time we try to eat dinner at the dinner table. Oh, you got one too? You did? You did? Look at him, he got one too, even though he ain't eat all his food.
It tastes like coffee.
Oh, you got the other ice cream. Okay. But yeah, y'all. Babe, can you bring me a napkin too? So yeah, babe found us a good movie to watch. So we about to sit here, chill, watch this movie. And I'm gonna talk to y'all when I talk to y'all. And I did not take y'all into Walmart. It was just too much going on, too many people in there. And I found a ironing board job, but the ironing board was like $48. And I don't know about y'all, but I ain't paying no damn $50 for no ironing board. Okay? So I'm gonna try to see if I can find one on Amazon or something like that. Cause I wasn't about to pay that $50. But I did find babe's mom the slippers that she wanted, and then she wanted some press-on nails. So I got everything else. I even did a little mini grocery shopping. So yeah, but I won't be like grocery shopping probably until next week. You did it on purpose. You get on my nerves. All right, y'all, let me chill with my family and I'm gonna talk to y'all a little later. Today is Christmas Eve. It is Friday. So me and my sister have planned like a little family outing. So my nephew is going, like basically my family and my sister's little family. We're all going to Golden Corral Grill because they open back up. And I'm usually not a fan of buffets, y'all, but Golden Corral be bussin'. Okay, it be giving what need to be give. The fried chicken, the rolls, honey. If you from the South, then you know about eating good. Okay, so I did my bun, y'all. Y'all like my bun? Y'all think it's cute? And I actually did like a little sock bun because I didn't want like a ninja bun. They okay, but I just don't like them on my face. But I just did a regular ballerina type of bun. So yeah, this is what I'm giving. So let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Oh, and we're also gonna take the boys to see Spider-Man. I think that came out, I don't know when, but we taking them to see Spider-Man too. Yeah, baby.
Can I get my phone?
Yeah. So yeah, taking them to see Spider-Man, so that's gonna be fun. And we're gonna do 3D, so that's gonna be even more fun. I got some lip gloss in the car. No makeup for me today, just brows, you know, got my edges done, honey. You know, when you cute, you ain't gotta do that much. It don't take that much. So let me show y'all what I'm wearing real quick. So this is my outfit, you guys. And yes, girl, y'all got stretch marks. Okay, I'm a mama. So yeah, I got this actually this was a 3-piece set from Rainbow. It was like $12 online, you guys, and it came with like the little shawl. The shawl comes down like about right here, but I didn't want to wear that. I mean, it's cute, but y'all know I'm a hot girl, okay? So I be needing something. I need a little skin, and today, y'all, it's like it feel like 70 degrees outside. So this is my outfit today. It's just like this little racer back top. I'm giving body, and these cute jogger pants, but I love like they're real, you know, they nice and tight. Okay, and then I just have on these ones, my Jordan ones. These are navy, red and white. And I think I'm gonna put on, I gotta do that laundry when I get back home too, girl. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and put on like a denim jacket. And I think I'm also gonna wear my Coach purse that I have over here. So yeah, this is what the fit is giving. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my jacket because I need to have on a jacket. I'm not gonna just wear it like this because girl, it's still winter and I'm not trying to get cold. I may get sick. So this is what it's looking like with the jacket. I may even end up buttoning it up. I know this jacket is gonna come in handy at the movie theater, but for right now, we just gonna wear it like this. Super cute, super chill outfit, and I'm ready to go.
On the dirt bike.
Say what's up, family.
Tristan.
Say what's up, y'all. Say what's up.
I can't, my neck hurt.
Y'all, I've been doctoring on babe all morning, y'all. His neck hurt. I think he done slept the wrong way, honey. I don't know what he got going on. Did you bring the neck pillow? So you can have it while we watch the movie? Kason should have grabbed him a jacket. You don't have a jacket?
Yeah.
Where is it? See, it ain't even focusing. It's already starting off wrong.
It ain't focusing.
No, this camera, it need to do better. And I love candy. Anyways, good morning, you guys. Today is Saturday. Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Day. I really didn't vlog yesterday, y'all, because I was just enjoying my food. We had so much fun at the movies and everything like that yesterday. The Spider-Man movie was long as hell, girl. Like, I already have like a short attention span, so just imagine the kids, y'all. Like, my attention span is very much short. Very much short. Huh? Baby and I woke up at like 5 o'clock this morning. Girl, I'm sleepy. We woke up super early to open up our Christmas gifts. We normally do that. We like to spend a little time with each other before we get up casing, and then we'll get up casing after we've opened up our stuff. He's already opened up his stuff, so now the first stop is to go to my mom's house, and then Casey's gonna go with his dad, and then we're gonna go over Babe's sister house, so we're gonna spend time with his family as well. I know they're gonna be like, dang, why Casey ain't coming anyway? They be asking about casing, but the day be going by so fast, y'all, and we just gonna have to go ahead and move on. I was debating on if I wanted to like do the whole Christmas thing on camera, not like even at my mom's house and even here at the house, but I don't really think that I want to do that, because not that I really think that it comes off like bragging and boastful, but I just don't want to do it. I may show you guys and be like, you know, well, girl, this is what I got for Christmas. This is one of my Christmas gifts, something like that or whatever. But I'm not going to be like, look at all the shit I got for Christmas. You know what I mean? So, yeah. And I'm also debating on if I want to put on eyelashes. I've been sitting here for about 30 minutes now trying to figure out whether I want to wear eyelashes or not. I be doing the most. I know, girl. Because I'm kind of like in a chill mode. I didn't even want to do no makeup for real. But I was like, I got to put that shit on, okay? So I just got on this white, crop hoodie. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing. I'm real chill, real casual. I probably just end up putting on some studs, probably some gold studs, because I'm gonna keep my gold. I just got on 2 gold necklaces, my rope and with the D, and then my my choker Cuban. So yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and decide what I'm gonna do about these eyelashes, because they probably gonna be looking like this, okay? And then I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing. I'm gonna show y'all, I guess I can show y'all how everybody dripped today, since we dripped out over here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, let me go decide what I'm about to do. Fit check, fit check, fit check, y'all. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing these jeans from American Eagle. These are super cute, y'all. They ripped up and I got them on a good sale. And then I just have on this white cropped hoodie. I actually got this on sale last year on Rainbow Shops. I love this. You can tie it up. You can tie it up, girl. Ooh, y'all know y'all see it. And then I just decided to put on some hoop earrings like with the rest of my gold jewelry. And then for my kicks, I'm just wearing my ones. These are my low tops. Super cute, y'all. Super, super cute. And then my fragrance for today is Dolce & Gabbana, The Only One. So yeah.
In your house, I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Set news to your phone while you working.